Can you imagine a world where robots take care of our grandparents? Would you entrust your loved ones to a machine? It's a question that's not only intriguing, but also a little unsettling. As we grapple with the reality of an aging population and the increasing demand for care, robotic assistance is not just a fanciful idea, but a rapidly evolving reality. As we delve into this topic, remember, this isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. The evolution of robotic assistance in elderly care has been steep and swift. Robots first made their appearance in healthcare as surgical assistants. They provided surgeons with improved precision and control, leading to smaller incisions and faster recovery times for patients. As technology advanced, these mechanical helpers started taking on more complex roles. Telemedicine robots emerged, equipped with cameras, screens, and medical instruments, enabling doctors to examine and communicate with patients remotely. Then came the era of rehabilitation and physical therapy robots, designed to assist patients in regaining mobility and strength after injuries or surgeries. Their consistent, controlled movements, tailored to an individual's needs, offered an innovative approach to recovery. But it's in the realm of elderly care where robots have truly started to shine. Today, they assist with tasks such as medication management, monitoring vital signs, and even providing companionship. They've become a sort of support system, reducing the burden on healthcare workers and family caregivers. Robots are now an integral part of elderly care facilities and homes, addressing the challenges of an aging population. They're not just machines, they're companions, helpers, and protectors. They're a testament to how far we've come in our quest to improve the quality of life for our aging loved ones. In essence, robotic assistance has become a game changer in elderly care, presenting solutions to challenges we previously thought insurmountable. So, where does this leave us in terms of the future of elderly care? It's clear that robots are playing an increasingly important role. They're not only assisting with surgeries, but also facilitating telemedicine and remote surgeries, making healthcare more accessible to all. They're aiding in rehabilitation and physical therapy, helping patients regain their mobility and strength. They're streamlining tasks in elderly care facilities and homes, from managing medication and monitoring vitals to providing companionship. They're tackling sanitation and infection control, ensuring cleaner and safer healthcare environments. They're making strides in pharmacy automation, reducing errors in drug dispensing. They're creating assistive devices to help individuals with disabilities regain independence. They're even being utilized in mental health therapy and emergency response. Robots are becoming indispensable in healthcare, especially in elderly care. While the idea of robots caring for our elderly may seem daunting, it's clear that these advancements are paving the way for a future where everyone can age with dignity, comfort, and the best care possible.